In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit payment methods in Ecwid. If you've been managing your online store using Ecwid, you already know it's a highly versatile platform, empowering you with a variety of customization options. Today, we will specifically focus on how you can refine your payment methods, ensuring a seamless checkout experience for your customers. Whether you're looking to modify existing settings or update payment gateways, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. First off, open your favorite web browser and navigate to your Ecwid control panel. This is your central hub for managing your store. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the Ecwid dashboard filled with various insights and management tools designed to help you run your store efficiently. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout if you need to. The control panel is where you'll find all the options to tweak your store settings, including those for payment processes. Now zero in on the area designed for payment settings. Look for the option labeled Current Payment Methods. Clicking on it directs you to a list of all the payment methods you've set up so far. Here, you'll see the array of payment options that are available to your customers whenever they make a purchase. It's essential to review these methods regularly to ensure they offer the best convenience and security to your clientele. Once on the payment methods page, direct your attention to the specific payment method you intend to adjust. You'll notice a set of options right next to each one dubbed Actions. By clicking on Actions, you reveal a drop-down menu tailored for each payment method. This drop-down is where further modifications and configurations take place. After selecting Actions, the next step is simple. Click on the Edit option from the menu. The Edit mode allows you to delve deeper into the settings of the selected payment method. Here you can modify critical details like transaction fees, gateway settings, and additional instructions for your customers. Take your time to ensure each input accurately reflects what you want your customers to experience at checkout. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the process of editing payment methods on Ecwid. It's a straightforward procedure, but it can have a significant impact on your customers' shopping experience. A well-organized and up-to-date payment system not only enhances user experience, but could also increase sales conversion rates. Now, don't forget to save any changes you make, ensuring everything is up to date. Feel free to dive back into the control panel to review any other settings you might want to adjust while you're here. Thank you for watching.